Apparently you can make a fire using some cheap chocolate and the bottom of a soda can. I'm not convinced, but let's give it a go. At first I was thinking this isn't going to work, but it's actually getting better. It started bad, but it's getting better. Maybe? I mean, I'm just getting melted chocolate all over my hands, really. We keep on going. Okay, I've been polishing this can for about 20 minutes with chocolate, so I'm going to wipe off the residue and see what we get. Maybe. Let's try. Alright, unless I'm doing something wrong, I wouldn't recommend using your chocolate and your soda to start a fire. I got nowhere with it. This isn't shiny at all. I wouldn't recommend. Let us know in the comments for something else you'd like us to try out, and I'll happily try this again if you think I did something wrong. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.